Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your TikTok shop. Let's dive right in. First, make sure both your CJ Dropshipping and TikTok shop accounts are ready to use. If not, you can create these accounts by visiting cjdropshipping.com and seller.tiktok.com to complete the registration process. Once both accounts are set up, log into your CJ Dropshipping account. From the home page, go to the My CJ section. Navigate to the Authorization section located in the left-hand menu. In the Authorization section, you will see various platforms. Select TikTok from the list and click on the Add Store button. You will be redirected to a TikTok authorization page. Log into your TikTok shop account and authorize CJ Dropshipping to access your shop. After authorization, go back to CJ Dropshipping. You should now see your TikTok shop listed under the authorized platforms. Click on it to start syncing products. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.